Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I'm back with another video for you, and I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to check out this video. As you can see, easy work at home, get paid cash daily. Man, oh man, oh man, I'm talking about this amazing system, this amazing program, this incredible home-based business opportunity. Okay, look, simple system produces amazing results. Okay, and it's about getting started, and it's about being persistent. Okay, and you'll be able to receive, look at this, $20 a pop. Okay, $20 a pop. It is the easiest cash maker ever. Okay, and think about all of your excuses for not making serious money online. No website, no time, no money, no product. Okay, you name it. And we've all had excuses of why we don't do things. Okay, but this eliminates all those excuses. Okay, very simple. Everything is provided for you. Even the wording to do advertising. I mean, it's really incredible. And if you're looking for a great business, home-based business opportunity, then you should really check this out. Okay, now throw all the excuses out the window. Okay, there is no longer an excuse not to make money online, starting now, starting today. Okay, the present moment is the only place where life truly happens. Okay, it's the power of now, folks. All right, the past is a memory, the future is a possibility, but now is where you have the power to act, to change, and to fully experience life, to embrace the kind of life that you truly love. Okay, our system enables you to earn $20 for everyone who signs up from your link. Now you might think $20 is not a whole lot of money. It's not, but when you can make multiple $20 every day, and you can do it. Okay, it's a matter of being persistent and consistent. It can happen for you. Okay, now look at this. You'll get paid instant commissions deposited directly into your Cash App or PayPal account. All right, and this mini site, our mini site, works 24/7 to sell itself, earning you money while you sleep, and there's no limit to your earnings potential. And guess what? It's just one time out of pocket of $29.95, or we call it $30. Okay, $30 one time out of pocket. So GTL, grab the link in the description area of this video. Okay, check things out, and you might want to take a look at it a couple of times. That's okay. Take a look at it and get started today. Okay. Okay, now in closing this video, I am going to leave my phone number. If I can help anybody with anything, that I'm doing, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. It's best to text me first. Okay, if you're going to use my number, send me a text, and I will certainly get back with you. And that's a promise. Okay. And so if I can help in any way, I am more than happy to do so. Grab that link in the description area of this video. Get started with this easy work at home opportunity. Get paid cash daily. Okay, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful, amazing day today. Bye-bye now.